Gardening becomes more enjoyable and efficient when you have the right tools at hand. The best hand shovel for gardening ensures durability, comfort, and precision, making planting, digging, and soil preparation easier while saving time and effort in your garden. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Kemaier Gardening Hand Shovel. The Kemaier Gardening Hand Shovel is a thoughtfully crafted 5-in-1 professional gardening tool set that instantly stands out for its versatility and durability. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel, this set includes a serrated trowel, mud scoop, garden rake, crack weeder, and dandelion puller, making it an all-in-one solution for a wide range of gardening needs. The serrated trowel is particularly impressive with its sharp edge that slices through tough grass and roots, while the V-shaped tip glides into the soil with minimal effort, making transplanting and soil work seamless, smoothing seed beds and clearing debris without damaging nearby plants. Whether you're preparing beds for planting or cleaning up after a storm, this rake handles it effortlessly. The craftsmanship reflects Kemaier's commitment to high-quality, practical tools admired by professional gardeners and hobbyists alike. Beyond its functionality, this set also doubles as an excellent gift for gardening enthusiasts, as it embodies long-lasting reliability and thoughtful design. Owning this tool set feels like investing in a companion that will make gardening easier, faster, and more enjoyable for years to come. For anyone looking for a combination of utility, strength, and ergonomic design, the Kemaier Gardening Hand Shovel set delivers exceptional value. It's not just a shovel, it's a complete kit that simplifies multiple gardening tasks in one well-designed package. Number 2. Berry Gardening Hand Shovel. The Berry Gardening Hand Shovel is a traditional yet robust tool that blends time-honored craftsmanship with practical performance. Made using a manual process, this stainless steel digging shovel promises durability for over 10 years of use, a testament to the quality materials and design. The wooden handle becomes smoother with use, offering a natural comfort that enhances with time. This shovel is ideal for transplanting shrubs, digging holes, planting perennials, and covering soil, but its versatility extends much further. One of the standout features is the strong hardwood D-grip handle, designed for comfort and stability. This allows you to firmly cut through hard soil or difficult surfaces while maintaining efficient control during digging or lifting. Perfect for gardening, camping, or even beach use, it adapts to a wide range of activities, making it highly practical beyond the garden. The Berry shovel also emphasizes sustainability, with its FSC-certified ash handle ensuring that each tool is eco-friendly and responsibly sourced. This adds an extra layer of value for environmentally conscious users who want high performance without compromising on sustainability. Designed for longevity, strength, and multi-purpose use, this shovel reflects an excellent balance of durability and user comfort. For gardeners seeking a classic tool built with care and eco-awareness, the Berry Gardening Hand Shovel is a reliable choice that delivers consistent performance season after season. Number 3. Radius Gardening Hand Shovel. The Radius Gardening Hand Shovel, also known as the Root Slayer Caprock Shovel, is a specialized tool engineered for the toughest digging challenges. Its unique design immediately sets it apart, featuring an inverted V-shaped cutting blade tip and sharp root-cutting ripsaw teeth along the edges. This combination allows it to slice through sod and roots that would typically require multiple tools like saws, hatchets, or pry bars, saving both time and effort. The blade maintains its sharpness well and can be resharpened without voiding the warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance. Complementing the blade is the extra-long pultruded fiberglass shaft reinforced with a hard fiberglass rod core, offering remarkable strength while staying lightweight enough for extended use. This added length provides improved leverage and reach, making deep digging and root cutting tasks less strenuous. Designed for landscape work, it excels in situations where standard shovels struggle, such as breaking through rocky ground, cutting stubborn roots, or working in heavily compacted soil. It's particularly beneficial for gardeners and landscapers tackling new or unworked ground where versatility and cutting power are crucial. The ergonomic design also minimizes strain, making it more comfortable for prolonged use compared to traditional heavy steel shovels. With its modern materials and precision engineering, the Radius Gardening Hand Shovel is an innovative solution that simplifies some of the most demanding gardening and landscaping tasks. Number 4. Craftsman Gardening Hand Shovel. The Craftsman Gardening Hand Shovel set is a dependable solution for anyone managing both gardening and landscaping projects. This two-piece set includes a fiberglass handle digging shovel and a fiberglass handle garden rake, making it highly versatile for digging, planting, and spreading tasks. The fiberglass handles are a standout feature, offering lightweight strength while being weather-resistant for outdoor durability. Each handle is fitted with cushioned, non-slip grips that enhance comfort and control during use, preventing hand fatigue during longer tasks. The shovel itself is built with a tempered steel blade, featuring a rounded point, which is perfect for breaking into soil, with a level bow design and 16 welded steel tines that spread soil, mulch, or other materials evenly without bending under pressure. Whether you're preparing soil beds, handling construction tasks, or maintaining your landscape, this set ensures efficiency and reliability. Another strong point is that this product is proudly made in the USA with global materials, reinforcing a sense of trust in its build quality. The set's design makes it practical not only for home gardeners, but also for those tackling larger landscaping projects, offering professional-grade durability without being overly heavy or hard to handle. Craftsman has always been known for their sturdy and user-friendly tools, and this shovel and rake set continues that legacy by providing reliability, comfort, and long-term usability. Number 5. Bird Trenching Shovel. The Bird Trenching Shovel is a beautifully designed, heavy-duty tool created for serious gardeners and outdoor enthusiasts. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to withstand years of high-intensity digging, slicing effortlessly into tough soil without bending or warping. The polished finish not only adds to its visual appeal, but also reduces dirt adhesion, making cleanup quick and simple after use, while also doubling as a versatile tool for camping, off-road activities, or even beach use. The ergonomic handle is crafted from ash hardwood sourced from FSC-certified forests, ensuring both sustainability and durability. The handle's streamlined shape is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing strain and minimizing the risk of injuries during extended tasks. The D-shaped grip is another thoughtful feature, helping maintain a neutral wrist position for better comfort and control, particularly when working through dense or compacted soil. Unlike many traditional shovels, the Bird Trenching Shovel emphasizes both practicality and aesthetics, making it as much a collector's piece as it is a functional tool. It's not just strong, but versatile enough to serve as a trench shovel, plow shovel, garden edge shovel, snow shovel, or camping spade, giving it unmatched flexibility. As a gift, it's an excellent choice for gardening enthusiasts who appreciate tools that combine elegance with rugged performance. Designed for lifetime durability and multi-purpose use, this shovel is a trusted companion that elevates both gardening and outdoor tasks. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.